Good afternoon and welcome to Arboleas, and let's take a look at our first new listing of 2023, and what a cracking start. Very unusual property in a nice way, situated in a Rambla front position in Los Carrascos, within easy walk of two popular bar restaurants. It's on a far larger than average parcel or plot of land, just under 1,000 metres. You can see beautifully landscaped. So you've got the main villa sitting there in front of me, which is a very spacious but two-bedroom villa with a kitchen and everything. And then tucked away just at the back there behind the palm tree, you've got a fully self-contained one bedroom with another kitchen guest apartment, which we'll go and have a look at in a second. Now the villa, as I say, unusual but in a lot of good ways, and ticks an awful lot of boxes. The current owners are packing up to actually move out of the property, and you'll see that, you know, there's a few boxes and stuff around, but essentially they've always wanted and have achieved it perfectly. You know, a villa, yes, but to a real character style, I suppose, keeping the best Spanish features. And the real plus point to this property, the Rambla front position, that's an 8x4 tile pool there. Look at that absolutely stunning backdrop. And come on guys, this is January. Look at those beautiful blue skies. There is a bit of a breeze. I hope it's not picking up too much on the filming. Now, you'd never know this villa was here. It's at the end of a very small cul-de-sac. So absolutely no through traffic, total peace and quiet. Sun rises to the right there, forms a perfect arc across the front of the property. And look at that. It's hard to, I don't know if you can see that, but it's going to set there just to the left. You've got this very large, expansive moulded concrete terrace that sits all around the pool, so a perfect sunbathing deck. Then a gravel section at the end here. Now this is actually the back garden of the property, and this is access point number 2. So you've got a lovely rolling double gate there, and this has been put in purposely. If you want to house a motorhome or something like that, then you've got a perfect spot. You can see a little chain link fence that runs along. That is not the end of the garden. The little gate there connects to a lovely little terrace that sits down below, and you can enjoy spectacular views from there. Perhaps from this end, I'm not going to crunch all across the gravel here, but you can see this is got a membrane underneath, very easy to maintain, weed free. And you've got beautiful bonsai olives here and established yuccas. So a lovely oasis, but very easy to maintain. Running along the left hand side of the property there, you've got a detached casita, wood store, tucked away discreetly there, and then a lovely awning to the villa frontage on the right hand side. So panning along the villa here from the frontage, this beautiful shaded awning, which has got a kind of polythene top as well, so stops the rain coming through. Position there, we'll take a look at the views from there, absolutely gorgeous. Runs along the property. Bedrooms are at the back of the villa there, and then just tucked behind that palm, you've got a very good size, and it is a full self-contained apartment, living room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen. So we'll take a look on there in a second. And then to the left of that, you've got another security grate, and that leads into the villa's front entrance, where you've got a lovely driveway, off-street parking, and a covered carport. Just loving this outside space, lovely little kind of water feature tucked away there. Absolute glare of the sunshine. I'm now totally in the shade, but again, as you can see from this end, enjoying absolutely marvellous views of a nightly sunset. So this is the guest apartment from the frontage now. It's currently full up with lots of furniture that'll be going out in about 3 weeks' time, so there's no still photographs, but I will take a little whiz around video in a minute to give you some kind of impression. As you can see, then lovely flagstone steps coming up from here, and that leads into the front driveway. So double access front gates leading into off-street parking, another little security gate over here, covered carport, and that's the storage casita on that side, and then the guest apartment located to the left on this side. So looking at the interior now, let's start off with the guest apartment. As I say, it's full up to the brim at the moment with all this furniture that's shortly going to be leaving the property. It's just in storage. So you've got little steps going up here. This leads into a very large bed sitting room. Door on the right there leads into a nice bathroom. It's got lovely character wood access doors and windows. They're all fly screened. Beautiful beam ceiling up above. And as I say, tucked all behind this stuff, you can see there's a full kitchen in here. I appreciate this is just for illustration purposes, but you can see very large vaulted ceiling in the living area, room for the double bed over this side, and then a good sized bathroom come shower, and then that leads down a few steps. And what a real, added bonus. So you've got a good sized villa, absolutely lovely and cozy and whatever, and then a totally self-contained guest apartment just outside in the garden. So coming into the villa via these beautiful character wood shuttered doors, the first thing that strikes you is, just how kind of comfortable, I suppose, it is, and just a homely feeling. Uber modern's wonderful in some respects, but some people want a lot more heart and a lot more charm, and this villa certainly offers that. So you've got a wonderful sized living room, which is kind of open plan a little bit to a dining area. Good wood burning stove, and the owner was saying they haven't even lit that so far over December or January. Again, fly screens throughout. You've got air conditioning in here, ceiling fans. And the biggest problem I'm facing on the interior is the sun is glaring through the window, so I don't know if you can see that. Absolutely beautiful and bright. A little pan around from this end, you can see the lounge kind of open plan feel into a lovely dining area. The doorway you see at the back there leads into a wonderful hallway, so you've got access again out to the covered porch terrace from there. Now open plan into a reasonable sized kitchen, but it's actually a lot bigger than it looks because you've got a very good sized separate utility room you just see off there. Further door access from there out to the garden and the kind of storage shed that you saw earlier, the casita. And the door on the right there goes into a very handy cloakroom, WC. A bit too small for me to squeeze into that for filming. A perfectly adequate sized kitchen, great big utility area, and then out into the central hallway. I'll take a look at this from both ends for you, but there you see beautiful door there going out to the covered porch, so that's the second on this side of the property. Lovely tile scheme that runs throughout the entire villa. Now a big airing cupboard storage room here on my left hand side, which again I'm not going to open and intrude upon. Two double bedrooms here at the end of the hallway. You can see ample room for kind of bureaus, seating. Just a lovely space, really. Now I've come into the main family bathroom first before the bedrooms, and you can see you've got a full bath in here. Very unusual design because there's ample storage cupboard space. Very unusual in a Spanish bathroom. And then tucked away to my left, which I'll show you in a sec, you've also got a walk-in shower. And don't forget you've got the cloakroom as well, and then a second bathroom in the self-contained guest apartment. So coming along into the master bedroom now, none of the furniture that you see here is, going to be left with the property. This is being packed up as we speak, but both the bedrooms have air conditioning and large fitted wardrobes. This is a good sized double bedroom here. Floor to ceiling fitted wardrobes, and then a similar sized bedroom immediately to the left as well. The clear up on this bedroom's already started, so The bed's kind of already gone, but you can see another big bank of fully fitted wardrobes in here, and a very nice sized room. Sorry, the owner's just turned up now as I'm just finishing up the film. So you've got the details there. This is Casa Avalon, a very rare to market, Rambla front, Los Carrascos villa. Very spacious 2-bedroom villa with a 3rd bedroom and bathroom and kitchen in a separate self-contained guest apartment. So on just under 1,000 metre plot, within easy walking distance of 2 popular cafe bar restaurants, with absolutely spectacular uninterrupted views. If you'd like to get some details or you'd like to arrange a viewing, then please get in touch. Usual channels, calidahomes@hotmail.com, or give us a call, +34 950 430 763. Thanks for watching.